This problem says, in a survey of U.S. adults with a sample size of 2,029, 308 said that Franklin Roosevelt was the best president since World War II. Which is weird because he wasn't president after World War II. But that is not important. So, there are 2,029 people in the survey, and 308 like FDR, and that means that there are 1,721 that do not think that he was the best president since World War II. Okay, so how do we find the probability that at least one of two adults selected from the sample without replacement, what is the probability at least one says that Franklin Roosevelt was the best? Okay, so we want the probability that at least one likes FDR. I'm just going to call that FDR. So to calculate this, we're going to do 1 minus the probability that neither likes FDR the best. Okay. To calculate that, we're going to take the probability the first doesn't like FDR times the probability the second doesn't like FDR. Okay. Or not that they don't like him, they just don't think he was the best. Okay. So 1 minus probability the first one didn't pick him as the favorite is going to be 1,721 out of the 2,029. And because this is without replacement, that means the probability of the second one not liking him or thinking he's the best is 1,720 out of 2,028. Now, whether you do this with or without replacement, I don't think it's going to make a huge difference because of the large numbers and the fact that we only have two in the sample. So let's see what this turns out to be. Okay, so this turns out to be 1 minus, I'm going to round this to 4 decimal places, so that'll be 7194, and we subtract that from 1, and we get 0.2806. So that would be my answer. And I just checked it, and you would get the same answer if you did it with replacement. But we did it the proper way because it said without replacement, and that is the final answer.